Last year, I went to Italy for my birthday, and I wanted something to remember the trip, so I found this Tuscany paint by numbers. I got it from numeralpaint.com and I ordered it up. I love it. This particular craft allows you to lose yourself. You just follow the instructions and you end up with a beautiful painting. This website has thousands of paint by numbers to choose from, and they can even make your own paint by numbers from your own photograph. How cool is that? I think that's going to be my next project with them. Are you ready? Let's get started and see how this turns out. Here it is. Enclosed is the canvas and all the colors of paint that you'll need, and it even includes some brushes. Part of why I love this project so much is because it reminds me of when I was a kid. I loved paint by numbers, and there was almost always one under the tree at Christmas. And now that my dad is a little bit older and spending a lot of time in his recliner, I think he might actually enjoy one of these too. I think the best part for me is that you can put on some music and just follow along without having to think about it. Just brain drain and watch your painting come to life. And by the way, when I say there are thousands of paintings you can choose from, I'm not kidding. Put any theme in the search bar and you will have hundreds to choose from. While I was painting this, I remembered all of the amazing things I got to do with my friends in Italy last year, and I can't wait to go back. The modern paint by number system was invented by commercial artist Dan Robbins in 1950. While working for the Palmer Paint Company in Detroit, Robbins was inspired by the Renaissance master Leonardo da Vinci's method of using numbered patterns to teach his apprentices how to paint. The first kits were introduced at the New York Toy Show in 1951 under the brand name Craftmaster with the slogan, "Every man is a Rembrandt." I haven't put this on the wall yet, but I have a guest room with all of these colors and I think it's going to be perfect in there. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.